So I got a big lobby to do today. I filled these 2 jugs. I'm going to take nanoMAXX Apex. This is 1 ounce. And we're going to put 1 ounce into 2.5 gallons. That's all we're going to put in. You can kind of see that changing the color a little bit to kind of a golden color. And we're going to do this 3,500 foot lobby with approximately 3 ounces of product in these 3 2.5 gallon containers. That's how well nanoMAXX Apex dilutes. You can use it for hard floors, for carpet, for spotting. It's really an incredible, well-rounded product. 0 health rating, 0 odor, near neutral when mixed, and there's just nothing else like it in the world marketplace. I'll put up some pictures and we'll see the dirt on the bonnets. And I do this place every month, so it's not real dirty, but we'll see what this pulls out of it. For this 2,800 foot lobby, we used 4 Ironman bonnets. We used new ones because it would show the dirt. Look at the before and after picture. We used only 3 ounces of chemical to clean 2,800 feet. That's fantastic, and we got great soiling off of the carpet. nanoMAXX Apex is super concentrated. Ironmans dig in and clean out. And for those that say bonnet cleaning doesn't clean well, we're going to see some pictures in a minute. Cymex has washed the dirt to the bottom of the carpet. The Ironman bonnets and the bonnet cleaning fill up a speed clean washer on the highest setting, and it's just filthy dirty water came out of these bonnets. Fantastic. Apex from Bonnet Pro.